Breakfast burritos are one of my favorite second breakfasts actually, so I'm gonna show you how to make them today. Let's go. I'm gonna lay out 2 small tortilla shells and start assembling with 1 slice of cheddar cheese between the 2, as well as a nice layer of fresh spinach. Once you've got that ready, let's go over to a hot frying pan and we're gonna drop in 2 eggs. We're gonna start with them sunny side up like that and let them cook a bit. I always keep bacon in the fridge. I cook an entire package and then I have bacon as I need it. So here's 2 slices going into the pan just to warm up. As much as I love an oozy egg, I am gonna break these yolks apart because for the burrito, we want a fully cooked egg. Let that cook out a little bit. You'll notice that 2 eggs just became 1, so we are gonna have to cut that in half. And a very graceful, perfect flip on the egg so that we cook the other side. All ready to finish the assembly. So bacon goes onto the spinach and then the egg goes on top of the bacon. Now we need a really nice tight roll on this. So one at a time, tuck all of that ingredients in and give it a tight roll. Hang on tight and transfer that into your hot pan again. Push down a little bit on the side that has the open flap. We're gonna do this with both of the burritos because we're sealing it and giving it a nice crisp. If it's too hot for your hand, just use your spatula again to press down momentarily. Oh, I love that crispy layer on the outside of the burrito. We wanna get that exact same effect on the other side. That is it. Now we are ready to plate and present. I do wanna show you the inside. Normally I would just eat it right away like that, but let's have a peek. Breakfast is ready. Well, I don't know about you, but I am ready to eat my breakfast burritos. Top them with a little bit of salsa, because that's the way I roll, sometimes hot sauce. And I'm gonna go eat them before they get cold. Enjoy another wonderful day, and I hope to see you soon. Hit that subscribe button. I would most appreciate it.